This is my setup. Engine hoist, some jack stands, my compressor. I gotta unlock it. I got some power tools, some towels, some extra parts. Oh yeah, there's the long block. There it is, engine running shotgun. Out of time Q5 engine, just cranking, no starting. It's a fast crank. Just shut it off here. We got to get it in a decent spot and swap the engine. I was completely done with it before sundown, and I started at 1 p.m. and I didn't take any more film of it because I was all business. A lot of times whenever I'm on the road, I'm just about business. And so far, YouTube really isn't my business. But YouTube brought me this business, so maybe I need to make more time for videos. But anyway, shout out to Leo and his wife. They just got a butter smooth engine in their Q5. It's running absolutely fantastic. And I got another core to build, and then we'll do another on the road shotgun engine replace for whoever's next. And that's not the only engine I got. I got like 8 other engines at home, so Naptown Tuner can fix your broken Audi. If it's a 2.0 T, that's my business. Naptown Tuner. And this is my mess because I didn't organize it all. I just packed it in whenever I was done. I don't know why I find this so funny. I dodged this road debris and then this Mercedes picked it up. I swerved around it and it flew right up on their grill. It's like toilet paper. All right, we're coming up to a stop. Let's see if it comes off. Let's see if it's gonna come off. I won't be able to see. Nope, it's stuck. They're not getting out to take it off either. I would have just jumped out and taken it off real quick. Nope, lazy Mercedes owner. And it continues. Get yourself some.